Hi, it's Darren here again from the Healthy Mind Project. Wow, what a view. It's early morning here in Indonesia, and I got up early this morning got out on the motorbike and came up to find this amazing view in nature, which I'm going to share with you a little bit here. It's a little beauty spot called Mongkeram. In the background, what you can see is Sumbing, Mount Sumbing. It's an active volcano, and coming here is just so beautiful, and being here just gives such a great sense of peace and feeling close with nature. Let me give you a little view around here. And part of my own spiritual journey made me come to realize how disconnected I was with nature in my daily life, and how we become so obsessed with money and success and working and trashy food and trashy TV, and we really lose sense of our true nature. We think that we're separate from all of this nature, but actually we're an intrinsic part of it. So coming into nature really gives us that sense of connection and well-being, if you like, back to our source, where we truly come from and belong. So how much time do you spend in nature? If the answer is no, or very little, then try to spend a little bit more. If you live in a city, maybe there are some parks also near where you live, where you can go and you can just see the greenery, even touch the leaves, smell the freshness, and get that sense of peace and connection with nature that can really be very soothing for you. So I'm going to enjoy the views and the peace here a little bit. There's nobody else here right now, so I'm going to share with you a little bit more of the view, and you can just sit there in peace and quiet and enjoy with me. Okay? Peace and love.